Hi guys, here is Matthew. Recently, many customers have reported that many products information is incomplete and more information is needed for reference. So today I introduce the NOYAFA new generation NF-8508 optical wire meter tracer, unpacking and review. So you see, that's very nice package. Open it. Okay, that's guarantee card. The emitter, the Type-C interface, and QC interface. And receiver, earphone interface, Type-C interface. RJ11 interface. Just alligator cable and RJ11 and RJ45 cable. USB cable. And the last one, the earphone handset. The handset.